Hi, Professor Patty Bell Hastings here, and I'm just going to give a quick run through of the fillable and printable YouTube roadmap workbook. This is the one that we use in the workshop that I present, and I'm just going to go through it really quickly. Here's the cover. Let me get over on my screen. Just a little intro and tells you where we're going with it. And then 7 reasons to start a YouTube channel. You can see that it's all fillable. All of the web links in this document are also hyperlinked, so you can click right to where we need to go. Again, fillable. We strategize. This is to draw and make your own mind map for your own ideas on. Questions from the audience that you are pursuing. Wayfinding, this is like the basics of how to predetermine some of the important things about your channel. Best title formulas, an action plan, what are your next steps going to be, how are you going to pursue this, and then a list of resources and links to all of the channels that I'm going to show you in the workshop. And then a place for you to capture random notes as you're in the workshop, and the back cover. That's it. YouTube Roadmap Workshop Workbook.